Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress with Hostinger. First, select a hosting plan that aligns with your website's requirements, perhaps a premium shared hosting plan for up to 100 websites. Next, register a new domain name or link an existing one to your Hostinger account. Finally, utilize Hostinger's intuitive one-click auto-installer to set up WordPress in just a few moments, making your site ready to build. Once WordPress is installed, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This central hub allows you to manage all aspects of your site. Explore sections such as posts for blog entries, pages for static content, and media for images and videos. You can also customize your site's appearance with thousands of free and premium themes and enhance functionality by installing powerful plugins, often in less than 30 seconds. Creating compelling content is straightforward. To add new articles, navigate to posts and click Add New. For static information, use pages. You can easily embed images, videos, and other media directly into your content to make it more engaging. Organize your posts with categories and tags to improve site navigation and help visitors find relevant information quickly, enhancing user experience by a significant margin. Maintaining your WordPress site's health and security is crucial. Always keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to their latest versions to patch vulnerabilities. Employ strong, unique passwords and consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Regularly back up your entire website, including files and the database, to ensure you can restore it quickly in case of any unforeseen issues, saving you countless hours of work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.